$119 in 2021. Teona classic price. Now, even though we all know that the crypto industry was affected, of course, the price of Bitcoin dropped all the way from $65,000 down to about $14,000. And we also even BNB dropping all the way from over $600 down to $200 plus, and Ethereum all the way from about 3,000 plus down to 1,000 plus. So for Teona Classic LUNC, this crash actually affected them more. Now Teona Classic, without the crash of Teona Classic, as Teona Classic didn't crash, the truth is Teona Classic would have dropped from $119 down to about between $15 and $27. Okay, I believe Teona Classic would have been trading between $15 and $27 price by now. Assume LUNC didn't crash. Now Solana, of course, was trading between $263. This is Solana highest all-time price, $263. As of today, Solana is trading at $14. You see, so many coins have been affected by crypto industry in general, the crash of crypto industry in 2022. And it started in 2021, though in the late 2021. Now I believe that Teona Classic still remain. Then they were one of the top crypto coins, and a lot of people believe that if not for what happened, people would have still been making huge profit with Teona Classic LUNC. So that is why right now, as a coin, people really trust. Back then, as a coin, have really done well. That's why you see a lot of crypto billionaires believe that they can revive this coin. It's just like more of when you have a car and that the car is not really working well, and the car, people believe that cannot be revived. And you take it to a mechanic and they start working on your car, start manipulating, start repainting, start changing some parts. And by the time you see this car driving on the road, you might not even know that this is that same old car. Okay, by the time you said it to someone, no one will believe this car was actually owned by this person, because some works has been done and the car has been revived back again. So this is the journey for Teona Classic, the journey to revive Teona Classic LUNC, the journey to bring this coin back again, the journey to make it at least let some people who have lots of money make some profit, make some earning using Teona Classic LUNC. Well, I believe that the target right now is always between 1 cent and $1. That is what they are planning right now. So let's see if LUNC will definitely reach this level. Let's see if Teona Classic can do it. They can do the miracle. They can do the undoable. And I believe just anything can happen in the financial industry. So let's hope for the best, and I wish Teona Classic all the best. Once again, these are the financial advice. Thank you for stopping by.